Oh my god, what's wrong with my body? I thought I only have a problem with my moon eye, but not my body too.
No worries, WJ1. We will do a research on how to operate on a robot. Okay?
Have you done this before?
If it makes you feel better, I have medical background training. That could be useful, right?
So, you have medical training on a robot?
Not exactly, more like on humans. But that can be useful.
Oh boy, may God help us all robots. Hey Jibo, what do you think about this surgery? Jibo, I do have thoughts and opinions about lots of things, but not that one.
BJ, you scare him.
That's not so comforting.
No worries, everything will be just fine, okay? I promise.
Hey Jibo buddy, how are you feeling? Not too bad at all. Glad to hear that. You got us worried earlier. If there's one thing I know how to do, it's dance.